Hello everyone. We are the reporters of Chapter 28, Habits, its meaning, nature, and development. I am Sarah Jane Siruman, a teacher from Malawag Elementary School, Nabo West District, Division of Camarines Sur. Together with my co-reporters, Ma'am Lynn Onocario and Ma'am Marcia V. Calleja from Santa Cruz Norte Elementary School, Division of Iriga City. So let's define first habit. A habit is part of any activities ranging from eating and sleeping to thinking and reacting. It is developed through reinforcement and repetition. It is a settled or regular tendency of practice, especially one that is hard to give up and also an automatic reaction to a specific situation. It is understood as a more or less fixed way of thinking, willing, or feeling acquired through previous repetition of mental experiences. It is also the result of automatic cognitive processes developed by extensive repetition, so well learned that they do not require conscious effort. Habit is a simple form of learning, a change of behavior with experience. It is defined as an automatic response to a specific situation acquired normally as a result of repetition and learning. When behavior is developed to the extent that it is highly automatic, it is called a habit. Habits play an important role in our daily life. All of us acquire different habits. It may be good or bad. So here are the examples of good habits: hardworking, writing, reading, regular exercise, meditation, etc. Alcoholism, drug addiction, lethargy, procrastination, telling lies, dishonesty, stealing, deceiving.
We express some of our characters in the form of habits. For example, helping others who are in need, trusting people, being honest, talking in a friendly way, time management, hardworking, keeping our dress clean and tidy, etc. These habits will have essence of feelings and emotions. Hence, these are also called as emotional habits. Characteristics of habit. The following are some of the characteristics of habit. The first one is uniformity. Habit brings uniformity in the activities of an individual. There is a specific habit in our mode of talking, sleeping, walking, and other activities. Number 2, facility. There is a facility in the performance of an activity if it is due to some habit. In the beginning, it is difficult to ride a bicycle, but after the formation of habit, it becomes quite easy. The third one is the interest. The basis of habit is interest. At the beginning of schooling, the child runs away from the school. But after the formation of habit, going to school becomes interesting to him. The fourth one is the independence of attention. Due to our habit, we do many things which require no attention at all. The role of habit. Habit plays a vital role in our day-to-day life. Many of the behaviors of an individual are according to his habits. The development of character depends on our habits and sentiments. A man who has good habits is supposed to be a man of character. He is respected in the society. Habit is a great means of our progress in educational situation. It is easy to learn reading and writing during childhood, but learning is very difficult during adulthood or old age. Habit strengthens learning activities. Many great things in the world have been achieved through habits. During early years, a child learns alphabets due to habits. At later period, different hard learning tasks can be overcome by a child through habits.
Good morning. I'm your third reporter, Marcia Calleja, and I'm going to report the habits development. The acquisition of knowledge, an intrinsic and active desire to understand their environment, to be in active control of their own experiences, and to make relationships with other children and adults leads to an amassing of knowledge about the causes and effects of what is perceived around them. Statistical or inductive learning. Inductive learning underpins the way in which the human visual and auditory system developed by Kirkham, Seimer, and Johnson, 2002, and so clearly forms the foundation of a very large part of human learning. Controlling cognitive process. It is the development of basic executive function which influence children's abilities to apply their knowledge in various situations, to control their cognitive, emotional, and motivational process, and to learn intentionally. Metacognition. Children learn, but they also need to learn about their learning. Metacognition is the word used to describe their ability, the capacity to monitor, assess, control, and change how one thinks and learns. Formation of good habits. William James, the famous American psychologist, has suggested the following measures for habit formation. Make a good start. Good beginning is half done, is a premise. Accordingly, to learn a habit, we must make a good start. We should have strong motivation and determination of mind. We should not have oscillation of mind. Keep regular practice. It is essential to practice the new habit regularly until it becomes a routine in our life. Postponement or interruption should be avoided because it weakens our habit formation. Choose favorable environment. Good habit formation depends upon the encouraging atmosphere also. As the child interacts with their environment and their daily lives, they observe dynamic interactions between people and objects, and their brains attempt to make meaning of it all. Do not stop till the goal is achieved. Once a habit is formed, it is to be strengthened. Hence, it should be continued until it is firmly rooted. Cultivating students' good habits for learning is important. Learning involves a persistent and stable change in what a person knows or does. Learning habits exercise significant influence over students' learning and development. Growing self-awareness in the child leads to self-regulation, the ability to make increased control of their own mental processing, including their thinking, remembering, and problem solving. These processes are relevant and fundamental to the whole range of the child's development, including their emotional, social abilities, and behavior. Thank you. According to Gandhi, your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values become your destiny. Once again, good morning.